Listen carefully. Your TV picture looks too dark, or maybe it looks too bright. Faces are washed out. Black areas are fully black and you cannot see details. White areas are glowing like a torchlight. Do not panic. In the next 10 minutes, you will learn professional technician level fixes. This video is made using artificial intelligence support, but every solution I am sharing is 100% practical, tested, and workable. Watch the full video carefully. You will be able to fix your own TV without calling any mechanic. If you face any difficulty, write in the comment section. I reply within 1 hour. And if you find this helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more powerful tech solutions. Now let us start step by step, how TV brightness and contrast actually work. First, understand one important thing. Brightness and contrast are not the same. Brightness controls black level. That means how dark the dark parts appear. Contrast controls white level. That means how bright the bright parts appear. Backlight controls the overall panel light power. If your screen is too dark, sometimes brightness is low, sometimes backlight is low, sometimes power saving mode is on. If your screen is too bright, sometimes contrast is too high, sometimes dynamic mode is active, sometimes HDR setting is misconfigured. So we will fix everything one by one. First solution, reset picture mode. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to picture mode. If it is set to dynamic or vivid, change it to standard or movie. Dynamic mode increases brightness and contrast to maximum. It looks good in showroom, but at home it looks too bright and unnatural. Movie mode gives accurate colors. Standard mode is balanced. After changing, check your screen. Many times the problem is solved here. Second solution, adjust brightness properly. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to brightness. Play a dark scene video from YouTube. Search for black level test video. Increase brightness slowly. If black areas look gray, brightness is too high. If black areas hide details, brightness is too low. Adjust until you can see shadow details clearly without washing out blacks. This is a professional calibration trick used by technicians. Third solution, adjust contrast correctly. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to contrast. Play a bright white scene. Increase contrast slowly. If white areas lose detail, like clouds becoming plain white, contrast is too high. Reduce until details return. Do not keep contrast at 100 unless required. Fourth solution, adjust backlight level. Backlight is different from brightness. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to backlight. If screen is overall dim, increase backlight. If screen hurts your eyes at night, reduce backlight. This does not change color accuracy, it only changes light intensity. Fifth solution, turn off power saving mode. Many TVs reduce brightness automatically to save electricity. Go to settings, then go to system, then go to eco solution, then go to power saving mode. Turn it off. Also disable ambient light sensor if available. This sensor automatically changes brightness according to room light. Sometimes it makes the screen too dark. Sixth solution, disable dynamic contrast. Dynamic contrast changes brightness scene by scene. Sometimes it makes dark scenes too dark. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to advanced settings, then go to dynamic contrast. Turn it off. Now check again. Seventh solution, check HDR settings. If you are watching 4K HDR content, wrong HDR tone mapping can make picture too dark. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to HDR settings. Enable HDR only when HDR content is playing. If HDR looks too dark, increase HDR brightness slider if available. On gaming consoles, go to console settings and calibrate HDR properly. Follow on-screen instructions carefully. Eighth solution, check HDMI input settings. Sometimes input signal range is mismatched. TV expects limited range, but device sends full range. This causes crushed blacks or blown whites. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to HDMI black level. If device is set to full, set TV to low. If device is set to limited, set TV to normal. Match both sides properly. Ninth solution, update firmware. Software bugs can affect brightness control. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to software update. Connect to Wi-Fi, update to latest version. After update, restart TV. 10th solution, factory reset. If settings are totally messed up, do full reset. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to self-diagnosis, then go to reset. Enter PIN. Usually default PIN is 0000. After reset, set up again carefully. 11th solution, Check external devices. If only cable box looks dark but Netflix looks fine, problem is cable box. Go to cable box settings, then go to display, then adjust resolution and color range. Set resolution according to TV capability. Do not force unsupported resolution. 12th solution. Adjust gamma setting. Gamma controls mid-tone brightness. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to advanced settings, then go to gamma. If image looks dull, increase gamma slightly. If image looks washed out, reduce gamma. Small adjustments only. 13th solution. Room lighting optimization. Never watch TV in full darkness with high brightness. Use soft ambient light behind TV. This reduces eye strain and improves perceived contrast. This trick is used in professional editing studios. 14th solution. Panel type understanding. If you have OLED, black is perfect, but brightness may feel lower compared to LED. If you have LED LCD, backlight strength matters. Older LED TVs lose brightness over time due to backlight wear. If TV is 6 to 8 years old and always dim even at maximum backlight, panel aging may be the reason. In that case, repair cost may be high. 15th solution. Check picture test mode. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to self-diagnosis, then go to picture test. If test image also looks dark or too bright, problem is internal. If test image looks fine, but HDMI input looks wrong, problem is external device or cable. Try changing HDMI cable. Use high-speed HDMI cable for 4K content. 16th solution. Disable blue light filter or eye comfort mode. Some TVs reduce brightness to protect eyes. Go to settings, then go to picture, then go to eye comfort mode. Turn it off. 17th solution. For gaming users. If you use PlayStation or Xbox, go to console settings. Adjust HDR calibration properly. Set brightness until logo just disappears as instructed. Do not guess randomly. 18th solution. Service menu caution. Some users go into service menu and change panel values. This is risky. Do not change service menu values unless you are trained. Wrong value can permanently damage display calibration. Follow on-screen instructions carefully. Now for a quick summary. If TV is too dark, check picture mode, brightness, backlight, power saving, HDR, gamma, HDMI range. If TV is too bright, check contrast, dynamic mode, dynamic contrast, HDR, ambient sensor. Always adjust step by step. Do not randomly increase everything to 100. Calibration means balance. Remember this one golden rule. Brightness is black control. Contrast is white control. Backlight is light intensity control. If you follow this logic, you will never be confused again. If this video helped you fix your TV picture problem, please like this video. Share this video with friends who are struggling with dark or bright screen issues. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real technician-style solutions. If you still face any issue, write in the comment section. I respond within 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay smart, stay technical.